What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got my boy Kyle with me right now.
Hi, I'm Paul.
We're on our way to Clean Culture. Going to be held up in Mooresville. We're going to meet up with some of my boys, some of the other brainless guys. Yeah, we're about to head over there, meet up with them, and then we're all going to roll out to Clean Culture. Let's get the day started. Also, we made it to Ikea. I mean, we said 11 o'clock to meet at Ikea. Look what time it is. Look what time it is. Man, and then they pull up on the wrong side of the store and don't let me know that they're here. Now he's parking next to me. Starting to worry about my friends, man. We're still waiting on Josh and Antonio, who said 11 o'clock, and it is currently 11:27. Y'all gotta get it together. Y'all got to. Say what's up to the YouTube, Robert Raw. We got Devin over there.
I think it's coming live, man. I'm fresh on the scene.
And we about to get you branded today. People, what you got?
Brandon, you know what I'm saying? EK. Right on the line.
What up, Steve?
What's up, guys?
Gaytonia.
Hello, my friend.
I hope y'all can hear me because the wind is really bad right now. But Antonio is rocking the brainless sticker now on the Honda Prelude. Yeah, that's right. Whoa, that's on video, yo. Stick 'em, Rob.
Oh, you ain't. Y'all had to do that?
No.
Oh, yo.
Shit. All right, guys. So after like maybe a 30-35 minute ride, we just made it here to Clean Culture at Go Pro Motorplex. I was just waiting in line. I'm assuming to pay to park, but it should be a pretty good show. All right, guys, so we parked now. Headed in.
He stood over him. It got dark. He was like, it got dark. He was like,
Spoiler City.
don't hit him like that.
Antonio, shut up. Raymond, where you at?
Camera shot.
Shut up.
That shit's crazy.
I know.
Stand up, guy. God first, hands to the sky. And see me going backwards. Know you wanna see me on my.
What an owner is.
All right, guys, so the two-step competition is about to start. Is you excited, Kyle? Yes. Yeah. What you gonna do?
Straight AK.
What you gonna do?
I'm gonna pull out the strap out the car, and you're gonna sit in it. You're gonna start revving it, and I'm gonna start shooting. Fire, fire,
Oh, he ready.
It's not a burnout.
Oh, he ready. Nice 2000 won. You see Evo blew up.
Did not blow up.
It did blow up.
It blew up, blew out.
Yeah, he lied and said it was a dipstick, but we know it blew up. But he got the money for it. Hey guys, so that's gonna about do it for today's video. As you see, we went to Clean Culture. It was a nice little turnout, nice little get together. I hope that it comes out cohesively. So what I did, there were so many cars there. When we initially went in, I was expecting to do more vlogging than anything. So many different cars that I recorded as much as possible. But then I got you guys some footage for a little edit I'm gonna throw together for you guys. So that's gonna be in a separate video. It'll be after this one. It's a nice way to kick off the summer. So I'm looking forward to all the other car events we have planned. But yeah, so just stay tuned for the edit coming. If you enjoyed today's video, comment, like, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, what you're waiting on. But as always, I appreciate you guys for the support, consistently watching and keeping it up. So catch you in the next one.